Looking to remove that black buildup around the gas cap? Let's look at the quick fix on how to do that.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of this black residue that gets around gas caps. It's also heavy on the inside, so I'm going to show you the secret that knocks this off. You can use some wax and grease remover, but I've actually found that doesn't even really wipe it off fully. I've tried different things, and the thing I found to wipe it off, you just get rid of it quickly, is Super Clean. You can probably use the purple stuff, any kind of type of degreaser like this, but Super Clean seems to be the best. But spray it on, wash it off. I mean, you might have to scrub it if it's real bad, but what causes this is hydrocarbons leaking around your gas cap. I'm not sure what the deal is with this car. I've actually replaced the gas cap twice, and it still ends up doing this. Some of the ventings run out around the gas can area, but it's not that way on this one. I'm not sure what does it, but probably more than likely it's just a faulty gas cap, unless it's possible that your purge valve or your charcoal evap canister is bad, and it'll cause it to back up pressure in the tank, and of course it's going to vapor through the gas cap. And that's another video. But right here, that black stuff, it's just hydrocarbons coming from the toluene and all the other, and the methanol and everything that's inside your gasoline. And it's probably worse on people that use regular 87 or just regular methanol gas. Pure gas probably doesn't do this as bad. That cheap stuff is cheap, but not everybody can afford, to go buy 100% pure gas. As you can see, it's getting a little black in here, but I've cleaned it out last year. I think a couple of years ago, this thing was so black, it looked like it was painted black. But I could have been spraying, keeping this cleaned out. Now I'll show spraying the Super Clean on it, so you can see how fast, and you can see it's real dark at the top here. And again, what this is from is your hydrocarbons, methanol, all the vapors that come out of your fuel, combined with the road grime, just the dirt in the air, just dirt period, and from the weather, kind of combine and stick together and just make this mess, and it just doesn't come off. Like I said, wax and grease remover can get rid of it. You could probably try to rub it off, but the best thing to do is just use a degreaser to get it off, and we're going to use Super Clean. So watch this. I'm just going to take a rag with a little bit of water on it. Of course, the whole car is dirty. It's going to look funny, but this is just to demonstrate on how easy that stuff comes off. And of course, the pressure of the water hose will probably get most of it off. But since I got my rag, I'm just going to go and wipe it. And voila. And if you don't believe me, just try your regular soap and water or liquid detergent from the kitchen, or wax and grease remover, and you'll see how difficult even alcohol or things like that, if you can try different things, you might be able to get it off with gasoline, but I would not recommend rubbing gasoline all over your paint unless your paint's just really, really good. But Super Clean is going to be the far easiest to use. Now, I will tell you this, you will have to, if you've got your car waxed, you'll have to re-wax it, because Super Clean will remove the wax, but so would wax and grease remover or scrubbing it real hard. And to help prevent that from sticking so much, this car needs to be painted so I never wax it. However, if you keep your car waxed regularly, when it gets if it gets that black buildup on it, it should wash off fairly easy. And if not, the Super Clean, you hit it with it, it'll pull the wax off, which will also pull all that black residue off.
I wanted to show another example. This car here, it wasn't black around the opening of the door, but it's real black down inside where the cap goes. And you've probably seen this more often than the black being around the actual gaslit door. And it's also black on the inside of the door, but you can't see it from this angle. But what I do here is I spray Super Clean on it. I do use a pressure washer, but that has nothing to do with it. Normally when I wash cars, I use a pressure washer because it uses less water and it's good for getting off dirt without having to scrub it so much. What I'll do is I'll spray this on. Don't do it in sunlight, because anytime you do any kind of soaps in the sunlight, you can bake it on, but just I'll put it on and let it soak for maybe a minute or two, and then I'll spray it off with the water hose. Not only does Super Clean do really good getting rid of that black mildew around the gas lid doors and stuff, but when it comes to engines, it's the best I've used so far as cleaning anything up, because when you get done, you spray it down, wash it off, it looks like a factory job again, and that's why I love it. You can see what a good job that does. I mean, I didn't have to use any brushes, any scrubbing. And really could use a water hose, not a pressure washer, but you can see what a great job just by spraying this. It gets rid of the dust, the greasy grime, the oil film and stuff, and it brings the plastics back to looking like brand new. And that's just Super Clean does a great job on detailing engine compartments. Super Clean even makes a wheel cleaner, which works just as good as their regular product. Of course, this wheel's not that dirty, but every time I've ever used it on a wheel that's got a lot of disc brake debris on the wheels or even a little bit of rust, this removes it with ease.
But that's a tip for the day. That's how to get rid of that black around your gas lid. Hope that helps. See you in the next one.